welcome back to my channel. My name is Guerlanda. How are you guys doing today? Because I am doing well. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I make a ruched dress. All you're gonna need for this video is some suede fabric I used, a sewing machine, some thread, and some scissors. So if you guys are interested in how I made a DIY ruched dress, y'all keep on watching and like this video if you do. So first, I'm going to be using this dress that I have at home. It's actually kind of sort of the same material, but not really. It kind of has the same stretch to it, so I'm just going to be using that as a pattern. And I'm just going to go and cut around it and keep about like an inch perimeter around it, so I have room to sew. And then also towards the end of this clip, you're gonna actually see me take the dress off and then actually just cut the one shoulder offhand without the dress, because this is a two-shoulder dress, so I just need it as a beginning pattern. So this is how it should look after you're done cutting. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go to my sewing machine and sew all the edges up. So I'm here just giving you guys a little bit of sewing ASMR, so you guys enjoy. So now I just went in and I actually made three 3-inch rectangles so that I folded together, sew the sides up to make one long string. This is how it should look, and that's the string that I'm gonna use to loop into the dress to give it that ruched feel. So right here, you're actually gonna see me take a safety pin, and I'm actually going to take that long piece of string that I sewed up and I'm going to be flipping it right side out. So I'm just going to take the safety pin, pin it at the end of the fabric, and put it through itself so the right side of the fabric can be on the outside. So now I just took another 3-inch piece of fabric and I will take it to the sewing machine, sew on the edges and the middle as I'm showing you guys here. And now I'm gonna take that other piece of fabric that I just showed you guys in the last clip, and we'll be threading it through the piece that I just sewed onto the dress, so that it will be like a lace going through inside of the detail, so that you can pull and tighten the dress to make it, give it that ruched feel. So as you can see here, the string is already loose through the dress, and I'm just tying a knot at the end so that it won't get caught or stuck inside the dress after you pull them if you pull too tight. So as you can see, it gives that little ruched effect already after I haven't even pulled it yet. So right here, this is how the dress looks after doing all of that, and I'm just going to show you guys how it looks when you pull it up and you give it that ruched effect. So it can be longer or it can be shorter. I just decided to make another strap out of the excess string, and they'll just be sewing it to the back part of the dress. So here's how it looked after I finished sewing that excess part of the string to the back of the dress. It still gives the same effect, but now it's less of a one shoulder look and more of a two shoulder look. So this is the final look of the dress. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you guys did, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those post notifications. Thanks for watching.